How to set up Outlook on Android. Hi everybody, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step procedure on how can you set up Outlook on Android. So you make sure to watch this video right till the end. First thing, we need to start by installing the application. So head over to your respective Play Store or an App Store, and on the search box you want to type in Outlook. And this is the correct Outlook, that is Microsoft Outlook. You want to install it and click the open button after you're done completely installing it. So now here what you want to do is you could either go ahead and add account. That means if you already have an existing account, then you could do it so, and if you don't have an account, then you want to click on create new account at the bottom of the page. After which you want to go ahead and create a new account. So for that you want to go ahead and type in a new email. So this is going to be my Outlook address, and click the next button. Now that it has already existed, so I have to go ahead and make some changes as well, and click the next button. So let's see, this is how it's going to set. Now you have to create a password, so make sure to create a password strong, and you could also go with the criteria mentioned underneath. And if you want to see the password for the confirmation, you could click on show password and tap the next button. As you've done it, so you want to give a little bit more information to set up your account. So go ahead and type in your first name and then the last name and click the next button. Here you want to select the country of your region and the date of birth for the age verification, and click on the next button. As you've done it, so you'll be able to see this sort of page. So you need to go ahead and fill out this CAPTCHA, or you need to solve a puzzle, and it is some kind of verification as well, or recomplete it. So it's gonna take a while in order to direct me to the home page, or I have to go ahead and provide some necessary information as well, and I need to go ahead and read about this and click the OK button after you're done reading it. So now you will be asked whether you like to add another account. If you want to do it, so click on the add, or just tap on maybe later if you don't want to do it. So read the information carefully and click on the next button and click on accept and click on continue to Outlook. After you've done it, so you've successfully set up an Outlook account on your Android phone. Now you're ready to use it. So that's the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.